you have to do, it's all right, I'll manage. You have to put both your hands towards me like this, just like this, simple. Just like this. Now, firstly, I have to tell you that you should not feel guilty. That's also another fashion in the West, to feel guilty. If you've done anything wrong, it's finished and gone, the past. I'm talking of the present. So, whatever you have done wrong according to you, you need not correct it by torturing yourself. So, please don't feel guilty at all. Because if you feel guilty, this center catches and creates a problem for the Kundalini twice. So please don't feel guilty at all. I mean, if you are guilty, you would have been in jail, not here. So have a very pleasant attitude towards yourself, very happy attitude towards yourself. So please don't feel guilty for anything. Then second thing, very important, is for this center is here, to forgive everyone. Now, one may say, very difficult, Mother, to forgive everyone. How can you forgive? I'll give you the logic behind it. If you forgive or don't forgive, what do? Do nothing, just the same. But if you don't forgive, then you torture yourself for nothing at all. That is why you must forgive. Just to say, Mother, I forgive everyone is sufficient. Just say that. In your heart, you say, I forgive everyone, forget it. That will help very much. These two centers are little constricted, and that's why we have to be careful that we do not constrict it more. So you forgive everyone, and you forgive yourself. Very simple. Now your hands are like these. Now please put your right hand towards me and left hand on top of your fontanelle bone area. And see for yourself if there's a cool or a hot breeze is coming out of your head. Just imagine, in such a short time it has worked out. So see for yourself if there's a cool or a hot breeze coming out of your fontanelle bone area, which was the soft bone in your child. Please try with the left hand. Put the right hand towards me. You can move your hand up and down on the sides. And do not say it is there if it is not there, please. We have not to cheat ourselves, but we have to be honest. Now, please bend your head and see. You bend your head and see yourself if there's a cool or a hot breeze coming out of your fontanelle bone area. Now, put your left hand towards me like this. And with the right hand, you see now, if there's a cool or a hot breeze coming out of your fontanelle bone area. It is hot because you have not yet forgiven. You have to forgive yourself and you have to forgive others. Because of that, it is still hot. Bend your head and see for yourself. You can move your hand up and down and see for yourself. This is a hot or a cold breeze coming out of your fontanelle bone area. Now, please put your right hand towards you. Again, and with the left hand, you see if there's a cold or hot breeze coming out of your fontanelle bone area. Just see once. Now, please put both your hands towards me. Just like this. Because I told you the sympathetic is here. It has to work through sympathetic. Both the hands towards me like that. Now just see, please see that there's a cool or a hot breeze coming on your palm or maybe through your fingers. Just see. Now you don't think. You watch me and don't think. Just don't think. All those who have felt cool or hot breeze on their fingertips or on the palm or out of the fontanelle bone area. Please raise both your hands. That's it. May God bless you all. May God bless you. It's great. Some people didn't feel, very few, all right? But we'll see what's the matter, why they didn't feel. They will. No doubt, every one of you should get it. Very few didn't feel it. I'm very much thankful to you. I look forward to Berkeley people to work it out. Because you have a special position as seekers here, and it should help the whole world. So may God bless you.